Let's go SW20, my dream. Just in the parking lot, there's already some cool cars here. Let's go. You got a first gen Impreza wagon here, very cool. Scrappy Bread, you wish you were here. Look what's here. Firebird.
I like.
Very nice.
I forgot my phone in the car!
You got Pig Nose Hatch 240 here.
But it looks clean though.
So cool.
I mean, more boxing.
This thing is like perfect condition.
SW20 or W11? Good thing I didn't bring my jacket.
I didn't put that on my car.
I don't think it's gonna rain anymore. Yo. Fan of engineering view. I need one of those of a truck. There's the preview that I was talking
about. Is Eddie okay? I don't know.
What if it's in the back?
Say, goddamn.
That's obviously so happy.
Carson, this one's for you.
All-time favorite car.
Always be part of the freaking Night Kids. Stick. Can we go and see what's inside? No. What? Oh.
Metro, let's go. Let's see many of these.
My hair's probably gone in this shot, so that's fun.
I'm a big fan of old school red interiors like this. I just think they're really cool.
The lights, rally crazy.
Not one MR2, but two MR2.
Yo, this is my favorite car. Why is that turbo in the Toyota badge black? I mean red, red.
Another Geo Metro. This is the later generation, also known as Pontiac Firefly. Carson, Pontiac Firefly. Here he is. No way, Takumi and Ryosuke are here. No way. No way. It's kind of hard to see, but they even have the cup of water inside. That's actually crazy. We need Case K. Where's Case K, bro? Where's Case K?
You guys know the show?
One last shot of these crazy cars. Let's see if I have any of these cards here. I have this one. I have this Fortress. I don't know if I have any of these. Crazy Collections S13.
Section there. This is what my car wishes it was. This is a very familiar interior to me, although this is the Type R, so it's like 10 times cooler. Just see one guy.
So freaking cool. Jesus, these cars are awesome.
But there's a show in Oshawa that I'm going to. So cool.
This is the best color that the Del Sol ever came in. The third Testarossa, which is crazy. Carson, this is for you. See what that says?
You know, whatever, like, I'm business minded. At the end of the day, when I see those clients coming in, I'm like, okay.
You may have seen on Canada's Got Talent recently, he made a real car. So coming up at 2 p.m. in
We got the Village Automobile right here. Maybe it's the same one. So cool. Big nose 240.
It's fun talking. It's alright, I never expected this.
think I remember this AW11 from last year. Very cool. My dream car is either an AW11 or an SW20.
Somewhere?
Yeah, he just walked out. He was
I wish my Integra was this color instead of Vogue Silver Metallic. Natural Clean EM2 Civic. Very cool, very cool. Carson, this looks very familiar, doesn't it?
Carson was like, I was thinking he was texting me, like, how's Oblivion going?
Yeah.
Was he happy for that? No, I just.
Yep, you're right, Paul. Subaru SVFs. Very, very cool.
Wider chest.
This is my car's older brother. We got a second gen Integra. Let's go. And here we have another one. I think it's GS as well. Love these cars so much.
I love this car.
Got a double sob here. There's one there and one here.
Yeah, that's right.
Gem or two here.
I know, I saw. We got the 5th Gem Prelude. Very, very clean.
For the last time? I think it's you like you gotta run over to it. I think it's I get it because it's more like Hi Dad, I'm back.
We don't, honestly, we don't really need
See when it's cool.
same here.
It's got like the headlights matched on. Look at this.
We pulled apart
Something.
We just took a photo of nothing.
No, we went there already.
What car is this?
What do you mean, bro?
Is that a VTEC?
Oh my gosh.
Do not clap when I don't clap. Understood? We're gonna do it again.
Got obituary
Here we go.
shirt on.
Seinfeld doing magic, right? No clap, no clapping. Here we go. How do they clap? They don't ask them to. Here we go. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it.
Here you go, Scrappy. Got some more Firebirds.
My dog. Right. Would you like to see a card trick? Tiana, that's correct. Tiana. A little different. Just pay no attention. We're going to try to do this again with a real deck of cards. This is a bicycle deck of playing cards. Give me a second chance. Get up here. Everyone's going to clap for you again. Well done. Look. Still the pack together. Right? We should. We're taking this show on the road. Look at the performers thinking of the screen. I looked at it. Was this yours? Is this the one you want, or do you want a different one? Everyone over there sees on that side? Has everyone seen the card? Has anyone take the card back, face back to me, back to... I'm gonna go over this quickly just for the audience. You can remember this really easily. The backs of the card are all blue, okay? The backs... take this. That one's just for you. Yeah. Everyone memorize the front of this card. Don't forget the... Yeah, I looked at it. You caught that? I'm going to shuffle the cards just like I did before, but real shuffles, Cameo, like this. That's a riffle shuffle, so I don't know where it is. And I'll shuffle it again like this. And I'll... Okay, great. The crowd seems very excited, too. I was going for applause, but I'll take it. Pure hell. Okay, here you go. Here we go. Deck of cards. Can I get my sanitizer? Thank you. Yeah. Great. And I'm going to use my mouth to find the card. That's right, it's by the mouth. So I'm going to sanitize my mouth also.
Yeah, it's final. It's not paint. That in my mouth. What's in my mouth? I got it some 6 shots.
I think this might be the final card. Stitched in Celica in the parking lot. Let's go.
When did this guy come out?
Actually, I lied. We have 2 80 Supers right here. Again, just in the parking lot. Okay, I'm lying, I keep lying. But Dodge Stealth and an NA Miata with the pop-ups up, let's go. There we go. We'll see you next year, Oblivion.
Yep.